All right, today we are making eggplant parmesan. So, and it's actually from the freezer that I was able to bring these out, and I'll explain that in a minute. So, I cooked my brown rice noodles. The brand that I like is Jovio. And then I've made my homemade sauce, which you'll be able to find the recipe down below. So, I'm just going to give this a nice, as much as I want, as much as you want, however you want. Make sure it's loaded. And then we're going to layer up the eggplant parmesan that I actually took out of the freezer, and I was able to figure out a way to preserve eggplant, which sometimes is really hard or it turns to mushy, but this actually works out really good. So we sliced them up, and then we coated them in egg and dipped them in breadcrumbs, and then flash froze them flat on a tray, and then put them in the vacuum food saver bags. And now I go ahead and thaw them out now, and I just take them and I place them on top, and I'll layer all of them over here, and I'll probably even add more sauce to it, and then I will go ahead and top it with cheese, bake it at 400 for about 20 minutes or so. So you can do this as many as that you want. We really enjoy it, so I hope that you guys enjoy it too. So thank you.